Okay. Hey everybody, what's up? My name's Bryan Cox. Yeah, this is my lights out project, and here we go. So we'll start in Unity, I guess. Let's just show you. I'm gonna show you. Okay, we'll just show you the game. It works fine. You click this one, you click that one. It'll toggle the ones around it, of course, the ones that are on the board and next to it. It just keeps flipping back and forth like that. Okay. We can head to the script. I'll show you a little bit of that. We have two scripts, a game manager, I call it a game chief, and a switch script, which just toggles each token. In the game chief script, we have a game object array called circles and a public bool array called layout. Excuse me. These two are parallel with each other. There's 25 of each, and they line up element wise. And that's how they kind of feed off each other, which I'll explain that a little more right now. So here in our start function, basically it's a for loop, and it just checks the layout length, which one it's on, which is the bool length. So it's just gonna check each bool, and like I said, they feed off each other. So the circles array is gonna grab the int that it's using. The int check is lined up with the layout length that it's on, and the circle is going to grab that and do the same thing and feed off of that, which I guess I should show the control on off function first. The control on off function is a bool function, and that's what really flips, that's what toggles each square. It's right here, so it checks the render and sets it enabled or disabled based off of the status, which is the status is fed from the mode, and we toggle that bool through each one of these. So like layout, which is the bool I, which is the number. So this the exact bool that it's on at the moment, and that's what it's going to toggle. We toggle it through on mouse down using a flip function, which is right here, and it gets the flip function back from game manager. A lot of back and forth, and so it takes the bool of a specific space slot, the token slot, and it's gonna flip that result or whatever it's at right now. It's gonna flip it to be the opposite. If it's true, it's gonna flip it to be false, and if it's false, it's gonna flip it to be true on each click. The circles space, the same one, is gonna be, that's what it's gonna control the render flipping happening. So this is controlling the bool. Every time the bool flips, the render's gonna flip. Where am I at? To go back to the start function, this basically just does a check to see if it's on. If the bool is on, then it's going to cut the render off, and this only happens in the start. So you can set it up how you want to set it up. I'll show you right now. So element 0 right here, it's the top left one. I just unchecked it. So now that I hit play, it's going to start with it being off. Okay. And since it was only the start function, I can't like cut it back on right here while the game's running. It has to be every time it starts. So I'll cut this back, hit play, and it stays on. Okay, so head back to the script. I think I covered everything. Let's go run through the switch script. In update, it's just checking. Let's see if the game object is enabled, and it equals the game object's ability to be enabled equals the status bool. And yeah, I'll show you the win condition now, which there wasn't really a win condition for this. It took too long to figure out. Plus, I can't even show you really because I suck at this game. I haven't been able to do it yet. So this is what would happen if you did win. This brings up a screen saying nice job. You want to play again? You play again. Resets everything. And yeah, that's lights out. Thank you, everybody.